That's a tough question to answer, and it's pretty much a "it depends" answer. There are a ton of cheap attorneys out there that'll send you stuff in the mail and solicit you that way, and you're going to get what you pay for. What you need in Marin County or any other county where you've been arrested for a DUI is to find someone who just does DUI defense or mainly does DUI defense, and they really focus on what they do. You're going to pay more for that type of a lawyer, and you should. Someone who's experienced, who has years of experience doing DUI defense in court, especially in the court that your case is in, with the Department of Motor Vehicles, with DMV for the DMV hearing. There's so much that goes into it. You want to find an attorney that, helps teach other attorneys how to defend DUIs, and someone that people, contact to ask a lot of questions of, whether it be other attorneys or people arrested for DUIs or just, and anyone. You want to find someone who knows what they're doing. How do you do that? Well, you can talk to that attorney or other attorneys as well. And if you've never been in this situation before, you need to go with your gut, and you need to know who knows their stuff, who's in that area, who sounds qualified, who talks, about the stuff with true knowledge, who is familiar with the judges and the prosecutors and the law itself and the DMV hearing officers and clerks and in DMV in court. All those things are really important. And to have someone who focuses on DUIs and not all sorts of other criminal offenses is very important as well. It's like with a doctor. Are you going to hire a general practitioner to deal with, elbow surgery? No, you want someone who focuses on that type of surgery. So that's why you want to get someone who is a DUI lawyer. Do you have to hire the most expensive lawyer? No, there are a lot of lawyers that charge a lot more than I do. They work in big firms, or they just, have real high overhead or think that they should charge that much for a DUI. I can't put a specific number on it because every case is different, and what I charge is, will depend on, is the case a misdemeanor or a felony? Is this an injury accident? Do you have priors? Are we talking about other charges besides DUIs? There's just so much that goes into it. But what you should know is that, an attorney who really has a good reputation, who you feel in your gut, is the right person for you. Are you ever going to know for sure that's the right person? Of course not. It's like with anything else, with any type of purchase, investment that you're making. You got to trust your gut. If you've got referrals from other people, or a real good thing to do is, read up on that person, check their website, and then look at their review. You're not going to see a ton of reviews for attorneys who mainly do DUIs, and that's because a lot of people aren't comfortable leaving their name on a review for a DUI, because that just tells people that they don't, people who may Google them or potential employers, if that comes up, that they have a DUI. And obviously people don't always want to advertise it. A lot of people are comfortable leaving reviews, and they may not use their real name, but what's important is to be able to read through these reviews and see that these are, look like real clients with real problems who got results that they were satisfied with. And they'll make comments about how someone, really cares about them and showed it throughout the case. Someone who got them a result that they didn't expect, or someone who just was very knowledgeable and they feel like they hired the right person for the job. So people recommending an attorney and how they recommend them, something to read about as well. So do your due diligence, and, in most cases, you will hire the person who's right for you.